every time we get together, we do a market update to share with you what's happening in the market today. So I'll give you the roll up for Texas, and then we'll break down very quickly some of the other major markets. You guys are welcome to take pictures of this. It will also be on the Texas REIAs Facebook page as well. So last month, the average sales price was down 3% to about $430,000. Closed sales were down 7% year over year in all of Texas. For the Dallas-Fort Worth market, closed sales were down 2%, and the average price in Dallas was down 4%. Where's everyone going? They're leasing properties. So you have a big jump up in the number of leases in Dallas. In Houston, the sales price was down, but only 1.6%, so did pretty well overall. And that average sales price was $431,000. In Houston, the closed sales were down 10.4%. And again, you see a lot of lease activity going on in the Houston market. In the San Antonio market, did the best overall. Flat is the new up. So the average price was $389,000, which was flat year over year, which is probably some of the best news that we could get, considering that we've more than doubled the interest rates in about a year and a half period. Closed sales in San Antonio, they were down, but only down 3%. Leases in San Antonio were flat year over year. Austin had the biggest decrease. So Austin average sales price $606,000, down 11% year over year. So Austin had the biggest run up in sales price and also has seen the biggest decrease in sales price. Sales were down, but only down 4%. The closed price to the original list price, 94.1%. So what that means is if the property was listed for $100,000, it sold for $94,100. Now there is no such beast in Austin that's listed for $100,000, but you get the concept. About a year and a half ago in Austin, if it was listed for $100,000, it sold for $106,000. Okay, so that market has both come up really hotly and is going down kind of at a faster pace than any of the other markets here.